Hi there, welcome to your Monday phonics lesson. All right, we're going to get started. Remember, you're going to listen to me first and then you're going to repeat, okay? So our first section is rhyming. Play, say. Hug, bug. Eat, wheat. Clam, jam. Mom, palm. Very good. This next section is our onset fluency. So that means we say a word, then we say the first sound. You're going to listen, then repeat. Her, beep, b. Lost, l. Did, d. Find, f. Awesome. All right, next one is our blending. We're going to need our choppers for this one. Okay, so we're going to say two parts of a word, and then we're going to say it together. All right, here we go. So your first word is kid, kid. Very good. Can, can. Nap, nap. Wet, wet. Bug, bug. Very good. All right, our next one is our final sound isolation. All right, so that's when we're going to say our word and punch it out at the end, okay? So remember, repeat after me. Can, jump, p. Loud, d. Pig, g. Quilt, t. Very good. All right, our next one, we're going to need those choppers again. This time, we're going to say the word the first time, then we're going to chop it up into syllables, all right? Our first word is beep, b-eep. Lot, ought. Did, id. Cup, up. Wag, ag. Very nice. All right, our next one, we're going to add sounds. So we're going to need our hands for this one, okay? So you're going to start with at. Add cat. At. Add bat. At. Add rat. At. Add sat. At. Add hat. Very good. Next one, we're going to delete sounds. Here we go. So you need your hands out. You're going to hold this word in your hands, all right? So our first word is dot. Without duh, you have ought. Very good. Pot. Without p, you have ought. Hot. Without h, you have ought. Lot. Without you have ought. Got. Without g, you have ought. Very good. All right, the last thing we're going to do is we're going to practice reciting a rhyme. This is a rhyme you probably know. So today I'm going to give you only the first two lines. Listen to me and then repeat. Little Bo Peep lost her sheep. Great. All right, I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.